Hey, I'm Bruce. We're gonna cook another one of my favorite chicken recipes today, chicken adobo. This is a perfect recipe for weekend dinners. It only requires some very common ingredients, minimum preparation, and can be served to your table within 30 minutes. When choosing the meat, get 6 pieces of bone-in skin-on chicken thighs. Very important. The bones are needed to hold the shape of the chicken thigh, and therefore they help to keep all the juiciness stay inside of the meat. Use about 1 tablespoon of honey for some balance of flavor. Use half a cup of soy sauce and half a cup of vinegar. I have balsamic vinegar here, so it's more concentrated and intense. If you're using Filipino canned vinegar or white vinegar, you can add up to 1 entire cup. Crush about 4 cloves of garlic. Well, you can just mince the garlic as well. This kind of kitchen tools are just fascinating to me. 1 tablespoon of black peppercorn. Mix all the ingredients in your tray. Make sure that both sides of the chicken pieces touch the sauce. And marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes. Before the chicken is done marinating, slice 1 small-sized white onion. Saute the onion in medium heat for about 5 minutes until it's soft, translucent, and turning into this beautiful caramelized color. Put the chicken into the pan, skin sides down. Let it sear in its own fat for about 5 minutes. Add the sauce we used to marinate the chicken back to the pan. When the sauce starts to simmer, add 2 bay leaves. And add some chili flakes if you want some additional heat. Close the lid and let it simmer on medium to medium-low heat for about 20 minutes. You can flip the chicken every 5 to 10 minutes. Add some chopped green onions for a touch of freshness, and here we go. Enjoy!